The Spreadsheet window allows you to select, inspect, and edit objects in a tabular format. To open the Spreadsheet window, go to the Window menu and check Spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are organized into Input and Result spreadsheets. Input spreadsheets are categorized into Geometry, Foundations, and Loads. Open the Geometry category and choose the Member spreadsheet. Spreadsheets can be very large, so you may need to scroll through the spreadsheet, make the spreadsheet window bigger, or put the spreadsheet onto a second monitor. Some spreadsheets are so large that they've been further divided into subspreadsheets. To open subspreadsheets, click the arrow beside the main spreadsheet to expand it and choose the subspreadsheet. The spreadsheets in the visual editor are linked. When you click a row in the spreadsheet, the corresponding object is selected in the visual editor. Control-click to select more rows. Shift-click to select all the rows between clicks. Hold down the mouse and drag to select many rows at once. Select objects in the visual editor, and their corresponding row in the spreadsheet is also selected. This works whether you single select or multi-select. Select everything in the spreadsheet by clicking the top left-hand corner. Changing values in the spreadsheet will edit objects. Click a cell in the spreadsheet and enter a new value. You can see the change in the visual editor. In addition to clicking with the mouse, you can also use the arrows and tab keys to move around the spreadsheet. While editing a cell, you can press the Escape key to cancel the edit. To edit many cells at once, hold down the left mouse button and drag through the cells you wish to change. Type the value into the first cell, and all the cells are updated. This also works with drop-downs. Some properties are read-only and cannot be edited. They will appear grayed out. Some properties are dependent on other properties and may or may not be relevant to a particular object. These properties will be blank and uneditable. To copy and paste from one cell to another, highlight a cell, press Ctrl+C to copy, highlight another cell, press Ctrl+V to paste. You can also copy and paste a series of cells. Select the cells to copy, press Ctrl+C, and then the cells to paste to, press Ctrl+V. You can also copy and paste using the right-click context menu. The right-click context menu allows you to sort the spreadsheet on a property, either ascending or descending. Click Clear Sort to return to the default order of objects. You can filter the spreadsheet by using property values. Right-click on the value to filter by, and click Filter by Cell Value. The spreadsheet will filter out any objects that do not have that value. You can tell the spreadsheet is being filtered by a value when the column color changes. When you filter by a value set, choose which values to include by clicking checkboxes. Filtering by property rule is a powerful way to filter out ranges of data. When you are done filtering, click Clear Filter. In addition to filtering by properties, you can also filter by selection set. With the selection tool active, select some objects in the visual editor or in the spreadsheet and check Filter by Selection. To filter by a folder, first select the folder and check Filter by Visible. Notice that you can check both Filter by Selection and Visible. This will limit the spreadsheet to everything that is in the selection set and what is visible. For complex filtering, you can filter by a rule. Check the Rule filter, click the ellipsis button to define a rule. Create rules for object properties, object locations, and even combine rules into complex logic expressions. To learn more about rules, please see the Help topic. There are many ways to adjust the spreadsheet layout. Columns can be resized, and with the right-click menu can be set to the default sizes. Spreadsheet options, available through the right-click menu, allow you to show column visibility. The column visibility control lets you include and exclude properties from the spreadsheet. You can even reorder the spreadsheet by dragging properties around the control. To set the spreadsheet to default layout, right-click the control and click Reset Visibility and Reset Order. In the spreadsheet options, you can create more room for the spreadsheet by unchecking Show Explorer. The tree to change spreadsheets is now hidden. Data display options control how the spreadsheet displays data. Reference properties are object properties that reference or point to another object. For instance, a member has a section reference property. The member does not contain section properties, but rather points to a section where the properties can be found. In the spreadsheet, you can display reference properties by the object name, ID, or as a combination of the name and ID. Enum properties are properties that are bounded by a set of types. These properties can be displayed by the type name or by numeric codes. Number format options control how spreadsheets display numbers. There are two categories of number format, one for input and one for results. Here you can choose the decimal point precision, whether or not to round numbers, use scientific notation, or to zero very small numbers.